I'm Rick Estrada with Caltrans District 10, and we're on State Route 132 in Mariposa County. We lost a big section of the roadway on Thursday the 22nd. Water came ripping down this creek. There's a large storage container over there. You can see the trees. What we're doing now is we're putting in an access road so construction equipment can reach both sides of the highway for the repairs. We're anticipating a minimum 1 month to 2 month closure on this situation. Like I said, we're on 132 in Mariposa County.